Hello, my amazing student. I'm truly happy you're here again for another inspiring story. Today we'll talk about something beautiful and important, following your dreams. Dreams make our lives brighter, and they give meaning to our days. Let's explore what it means to have a dream and how we can take real steps to follow it. Episode 4: Following Your Dreams. When I was a child, I used to look at the stars and dream big dreams. I imagined flying planes, writing books, or living in a faraway country. Everything felt possible inside my mind. My favorite place was the library in our town. I would sit for hours and read about people who followed their hearts. Their stories made me believe that one day I could do something great too. But dreams can be scary when you try to chase them. Sometimes people laugh or tell you it's impossible. Their words can make you feel small and unsure. I remember the first time I said I wanted to be a writer. Someone close to me said, "That's not a real job." I felt my heart sink and my dream shake. But still, the feeling inside me didn't disappear. Every time I picked up a pen, I felt alive. Writing made me happy in a way nothing else did. I started writing short stories in secret. I didn't tell anyone at first because I was afraid, but slowly I became braver with each word I wrote. I joined a writing club in my school. It was the first time I shared my stories with others. They clapped and said kind things. I couldn't believe people liked my words. That gave me more courage to write more. I stayed up late many nights just to finish a new story. I carried a small notebook everywhere I went. Whenever I had an idea, I wrote it down quickly. Some days I felt like giving up. I didn't always have support from everyone. But I learned that not everyone needs to understand your dream. What matters most is that you understand it. Your dream belongs to you, not to others. You don't have to explain it or defend it. Just keep going, even when the path is hard. I started entering small writing contests. I didn't win at first, and that hurt. But I kept trying because the dream was worth it. One day, I received an email. It said I had won second place in a youth writing contest. I smiled so wide I thought my face would crack. That moment gave me hope and fire. I printed the email and put it on my wall. Every time I felt doubt, I looked at it. It reminded me to keep going. It reminded me why I started. I think all of us have something that lights us up inside. Maybe your dream is to travel the world. Maybe it's to start your own business or help animals. It can be anything that fills you with purpose. Don't wait for someone to give you permission. The world needs your dream, even if it seems small. A dream can grow bigger when you care for it. Water it with time, work, and belief. Be patient with the process. There will be setbacks along the way. Sometimes you'll feel stuck or tired. But that doesn't mean you're failing. It just means you're learning. Each step brings you closer to the goal. Even small steps matter deeply. I met a friend who dreamed of being a doctor. She worked very hard every day. She studied, asked questions, and stayed focused. Some days were very difficult for her, but she never gave up on her dream. Now she helps children in a small hospital. Her smile tells you how much she loves her job. I also know someone who dreamed of opening a bakery. He didn't have a lot of money, but he started small, baking cookies at home. He sold them at school and to neighbors. Now, years later, he owns a beautiful shop. The smell of fresh bread fills the street every morning. He says it's the best feeling in the world. These people taught me something important. Dreams come true when you keep going. You don't need to be the best from the start. You just need to be consistent and hopeful. I keep writing today, just like when I was younger. I write to feel alive and to help others. Sometimes I receive messages from readers. They say my words helped them feel better. That fills my heart with gratitude. I believe that following your dream is a kind of love. It's love for yourself and for the world. Because dreams don't just help us, they help others too. Imagine a world without dreamers. There would be no stories, no music, no inventions. We need people who believe in the impossible. We need people like you. So don't be afraid to chase what you love. Start where you are. Use what you have. Take one small step today, then another tomorrow. Soon you'll see the path forming under your feet, and that path will lead you somewhere beautiful. It might not be easy, but it will be worth it. Your dream doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be real and honest. You don't have to do everything at once. Just begin. The world will meet you halfway. People will appear to help you. Resources will show up when you need them. The universe has a way of rewarding brave hearts, and you are braver than you think. Don't let fear stop you. Fear is just a shadow. It passes. Your dream is the light. It shines. Hold on to that light, even in dark times. Let it guide you. Like a star. Remember why you started. Remember how it feels to dream. That feeling is real and true. No one can take it from you. You are allowed to dream big. You are allowed to change your life. You are allowed to be more than what others expect. Your dream matters. It matters because you matter. So take that first step. Write the first word. Sing the first note. Open the first door. Plant the first seed. And trust that something beautiful will grow. Be your own biggest fan. Speak kindly to yourself. Celebrate every little success. And when things get hard, take a deep breath. Remind yourself that you've come so far. Look how far you've already walked. Look at all the things you've learned. You're stronger than you know. And your story is just beginning. One day, someone will look at you. They'll say, "Because of you, I didn't give up." Your courage will inspire someone else. Your dream will light the way for others. So please, don't stop now. Keep walking. Keep growing. Keep dreaming. Thank you for joining me on this powerful journey. Following your dreams takes heart, courage, and patience. But you already have those inside you. Remember, your dream is waiting for you to believe in it. Never forget, you are meant for something beautiful. Until the next episode, keep dreaming boldly and take that next small step forward.